Good evening, Ritvik.
Good evening, ma'am.
Today we have Ritvik Kapoor. Now, at the end of his level 2 program, he's going to give a demo of a table, and like he's doing the demo of repeated addition of the number 98, and this he takes till 50 length. Are we ready, Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
So, let you start.
98, 196, 294, 392, 490, 588, 686, 784, 882, 980, 1078, 1176, 1274, 1372, 1470,
Right.
1568, 1666, 1764, 1862, 1960, 2058, 215, 2156, 2254, 2352, 2450, 2548, 2546, 2744, 2842, 2940,
Right.
3038, 3136, 3234, 3332, 3430, 3528, 3626, 3724, 3822, 3920,
Right.
4018, 4114, 4214, 4312, 4410, 4508, 4606, 4704, 4802, 4900.
Right. Very good. Good boy. Good. You did well. Great. Thank you.